welcome back to the channel and you're here. We're in the city of Rockingham, North Carolina for Eurofest. I'm here with Ricky. What's up, Ricky?
Hey, how you guys doing? Doing good, how you doing?
You ready for today?
Yes sir, I'm ready.
He's looking really good. We got a lot of cars lined up already, more to come, so stay tuned. We got a lot to show you. What's up, everybody? We're here with Ness. Mr. Ness, how you doing today?
Hey man, I'm doing great, and you?
I'm wonderful, thank you. What can you tell us about your car? Beautiful car here you got.
Thank you, man. It's a 92 Volkswagen Golf Mark II. Or something we would clarify with the VR6 swap, 2.9 internal, soon to be boosted, hopefully. Wanted something that was a little bit different. Just wanted to change it up a little bit, not only just make it just look tasteful, but also run with the other cars out here. But other than that, it's just always been a passion, and just probably always have something to do to it every day. It
is beautiful car. I mean, the color in it, the wheels. Yeah, I mean, it's a great combination.
BBS 16-inch, the fronts are 8.5, the backs are 9.5. Yeah, with car seats redone. So I have the back seat. I took it out. I really don't use it, but I'm probably going to put it in for this year just to change it up a little bit.
Well, good luck on your deal, sir.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you.
What can you tell us about it?
So it's a 2016 BMW M235. It's an 8-speed automatic. It's currently on stage 1 MHC. I have an upgraded charge pipe, upgraded radiator or intercooler, and I got all these carbon fiber throughout the car.
Oh yeah, look! Come here, let me show you this. Look at that. Really nice.
Yeah. I open it up too. It's got Apex wheels on the car. They're lightweight.
Nice. Really nice.
Thanks.
Beautiful car. Thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem. Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
Yeah, I'm glad I pulled out cash.
Everybody, we're here with Damien. Damien, what can you tell us about your car, please?
This is my 2008 GTI. So far, I've got it lowered on Cody coilovers. I got a U-Speed P-Flow intake, 034 Motorsports, 42 draft designs, catch can, rotiform wheels.
They look really nice.
Thank you. They're really hard to clean, but you know, when they do get clean, they look good.
Yeah, they definitely, they look sharp.
Thank you. They're 18 by 8.5 in the front and then 18 by 9.5 in the back.
Okay.
I have an R32 style exhaust in the back.
Let's check out the exhaust. Look at that.
That's probably my favorite model of this car so far. And I just did my door cards the other day.
Okay.
I got those done recently.
Nice. Is the car tuned?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay. It looks something that I like, I want to show you. This here. That looks really nice. All right. All right, everybody, got one more for y'all. I'm here with Mike. How you doing today, Mike?
Doing good.
Good to see you. What can you tell us about your car?
It's a 2010 Volkswagen GTI, and I'm gonna full wrap it, but currently I got my Vivid. It's a blue/green color shift wrap.
That is really nice.
Yeah, it's called Psycho Blue.
Psycho Blue?
Yep.
I have to remember that name. I like the color.
Oh yeah. So there's that, and then on the interior I have a Psycho Purple, so that shifts from a purple and a brown.
Okay.
And that's what my car's gonna be eventually. But then I got some TSW Veils on there, tinted. I have a full tint all the way around. Windshields 70% all around.
Okay.
Darker. Headlights tinted. I have a full exhaust turbo back from Cobb.
Cobb. Okay.
And then I have
Why the tag? I like that.
the tag. So she's gonna be starting a business here soon. It's gonna be a CBD baking business.
Okay.
So that way it tastes good while eating and having healing properties. So that's kind of what it's for.
Okay.
It's gonna be Sinful Sinclair's. So the Sinner was to play off that.
Okay. Okay.
And plus, when you look at my actual plate, my rear. It's from Colorado.
Okay.
Colorado's legal. It's 420.
Nice.
And it's just a play on words pretty much.
Right. Right.
And then this is the purple. That's gonna be half of the outside.
That looks really nice as well.
And then I have a Stage 2 tune from 034.
Okay.
Tinted tail lights.
Nice. Approximately how much power you have?
Currently, I think I got. So I haven't dynoed it yet.
Okay.
But when I told someone that I had probably about 260, and with my times on the drag strip, which I pulled a 13.5, which I'm fairly new at dragging, I pulled a 13.56, and he was saying that I had to be over 250, but I gotta dyno it when I get a chance.
Okay.
Just the tech's been out of the office.
Right. Right.
And then I got my street tires on there to try to pull on some traction, but it only does so much for that Stage 2 tune.
Right. Well, overall, a really nice looking car, man. I like the color combination touches that you have. Those gas cap on it looks really good.
Appreciate it.
Good luck on your bill.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
Nice talking to you.
Good talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, right. Hey everybody, we're here with Mr. Lou. How you doing today?
I'm doing good, trying to stay warm.
I know it's cold, but it's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is, a little windy.
Yeah, the wind is cold. It's making it feel worse. What can you tell us about your car? It's a beautiful car, very bright yellow, stands out.
Yeah, well, the color is a factory color.
Okay.
It's called Speed Yellow.
Speed yellow.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a 99 model, 911
Okay.
Porsche. Two-wheel drive, not a 4S.
Okay.
And of course, it's got your basic bolt-ons and some mods inside as far as interior-wise.
Okay. Beautiful car. How long you had the car?
About close to 3 years now.
3 years. What kind of wheel setup are these? Because they really look nice.
So these wheels are from, I think they're called Champion, if I'm not mistaken. They're 11 in the rear, 8.5 in the front.
Okay. Wow.
Lowered on coilovers.
Coilovers. Interior, everything pretty much beautiful interior. Wow.
6-speed manual transmission.
That's a big exhaust. What does it sound like?
I'll turn it on.
Do you mind?
Not at all.
All right.
not factory, so it has a little bit of a tone.
All right. That sounds really good. That sounds good. Thank you very much.
Hey, thank you.
Pleasure meeting
Appreciate it. Thanks for your time.
All right, everybody. I'm here with Corey. Mr. Corey, how you doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
What can you tell us about your car, please?
I didn't get too much done. It's APR Stage 2, bags. It's got an AccuAir CVT tank with the Airlift 3H, BFI Stage 3 clutch. That's about it. Not too much.
It looks really, really nice. This car. And I like the wheels. What kind of wheels are these?
It's the Prada CR1s.
Size? What size are they?
19 by 8.5.
Car looks good. Really good. What's up, everybody? I'm here with Leo. How you doing, Leo?
Good, man. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So, what can you tell us about your car? It looks really, really good. Tell me a little bit about it.
It's like, I love my car. Like, I'm gonna buy like nothing special, and now I'm gonna buy the wheels, put air suspension too.
Okay.
And it's a nice car. I love the car.
I see you got Woody right there too.
Oh yeah.
Woody the cowboy.
Yeah.
What kind of wheels do you have? What kind of wheels are
They
they?
have wheels 18 inches. This Beetle wheel for the Beetle. I mean,
Classic Beetle.
classic Beetle.
Okay.
Yeah. 18.
How long you had the car?
I have like 3 years ago.
3 years?
3 years. And that Volkswagen 86, that's mine too.
Both of them are yours?
Yeah, that's mine.
That was
They
really
have
good.
16 inches wheels BBL. This is Germany.
Germany? Love the car. What year is this, you said?
86.
86?
Yep.
Awesome. I love the color.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Thank you very much.
Gracias.
Yeah, to race you have to pay 25 more bucks.
I drive an X5 and call it. I saw your phone. It's so fun. I know.
Get it? Well, it wasn't that bad that time. 1284.